Yo, what's going on, you guys? My name is Owen and welcome back to another video. So like I promised a couple weeks ago, today's video is going to be me styling the new Bare Knuckles Collection 4 in 4 different winter outfits. If you guys have been watching the channel for a while, then you already know that I'm a huge fan of Bare Knuckles and a big supporter of Cole and Jacob, who are the designers of Bare Knuckles. Each year they're able to top themselves and create a new collection that's even better than the last one. The first collection they did was very monochromatic. It was like white, gray, and black. It was very grungy, kind of punkish. As each collection came along, the brand infused a lot more colors, a lot more patterns, some more unique silhouettes, and I really love that progression. I feel like the brand has progressed along with my style too, so I incorporate a lot more color and pattern in my outfits today than from their previous collections, where it was definitely more monochromatic. I was wearing a lot of black, I was wearing a lot more drapey silhouettes. Collection 4 did drop about a week ago from now, so a lot of these pieces that you guys might see in this video will be sold out and not available anymore. But regardless, I will be leaving the link to Bare Knuckles down in the description below. This video is not sponsored at all. I just love this brand, and I think you guys love Bare Knuckles too, because every time I do a Bare Knuckles related video, you guys seem to go crazy for it. Before we hop into the outfits, if you guys could drop a like for me down below before the video starts, it would really help me out. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, since 50% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed, I would also really appreciate that too. Also, let me know which of these 4 outfits is your favorite down in the comments below. Without further ado, let's hop right into it. So hopping right into the first outfit, I guess I will start with the base layer, which will be this t-shirt from the new collection. This is the green spruce t-shirt, and this did retail for $95. It's still available on their site in some sizes. And this is by far one of my favorite t-shirts I own right now. I love the fit, I love the color. I think the color is so unique. They did a potassium spray wash, I believe it was, which creates this sun-faded look where in the top portion of the t-shirt is a little bit more faded, and then as it goes down to the bottom, it's a little bit more vibrant. These t-shirts do fit really similar to the previous collection shirts. I'm not sure if they're the exact same fit or not. And like the previous collections, they do also feature the single-stitch sleeves and hem. The t-shirts fit really boxy and oversized. These 2 new t-shirts from the new collection are definitely my favorites over everything that they've released previously. They're super wearable, they feel great, they're nice and heavy, there's no graphic on it, so it's pretty easy to wear with a lot of different outfits. I actually had 2 layers over top the t-shirt, and this is like my mid layer, I guess. This right here is a vintage sweater vest that I got off eBay. I think it was like $12 or $15, so really cheap. Kind of wish it had the pattern on the back. I think it goes great with the t-shirt because you get the hints of green poking out in the neck area and on the sleeves. And then moving on to the outer layer piece, this is from the new Bare Knuckles collection, and this is probably my most worn item from the collection too. Since it is extremely cold in Boston, this has been a big win for me. This piece right here is called the padded flannel jacket. It is sold out on their website. This did retail for $350, which is the most expensive item out of the whole collection. I believe it was the second item to sell out over another item that will show in a little bit. I seriously love this jacket. I love the fit. It's nice and oversized. It doesn't like really grip your body that much. And it is quilted too, so it does have the diamond stitching going all over onto the sleeves and the back side. It does have a snap button front with these like silver snaps. I forgot to mention that in this t-shirt and in this jacket, I did get a size large. Actually, in all the tops, I got a size large, and then all the bottoms, I either got a medium or 32. The down that they use is called Primaloft or Primaloft. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's very thin, so it's not too puffy, but it is still extremely insulated. Yeah, absolutely fire piece. One of my favorites out of the whole collection. Moving on to the bottom portion of the outfit, I did wear my go-to pair of Levi's 501s. This is the re-edition pair from 1976. If you haven't seen my video about these, basically, this is just the exact same model that Levi's made in 1976 for the 501s. Has the same fit, has the same denim, has the same wash, same construction, all that good stuff. For my choice of footwear for the outfit, I did go with my Visvim Engineer boots, which I have talked about quite a bit on my channel, especially in the shoe collection video. The Engineer boot is a pretty iconic silhouette. A lot of brands do this silhouette. So if you were looking to get the Engineer boot silhouette, but not with the Visvim price tag, you can totally find that and find a cheaper pair. And then to finish off the whole outfit for a little accessory, I did recently get this hat off of eBay. It was probably like, again, like in that $15 range, I'd say. I've been buying a lot of vintage hats recently. This one right here is an emerald green, Old English style lettering. It says Banner Stables, Missouri, Fox Riding Horses, Abilene, Kansas. It is a trucker hat, so it does have the very reinforced front panel, which kind of creates a little bit of a box silhouette in the front, and the backside is nice and flimsy. But yeah, let me know what you thought of this outfit.
Already knew the one, see right across the room. I need red lights when I think of you. In a crowd full of you, shine like Pikachu. my eyes, you the prize of my already, yeah, already knew the one. See right across the hall, like these red lights, I don't think at all.
Outfit number 2, again, starting with the base layer. This is the new Bare Knuckles collection for crew neck. The official color is called Sunshine, and they did do 2 colors. This piece did retail for $185. It's a super nice crew neck. It has a very wide body. It's a really thick French terry material, so it'll keep you nice and warm during the winter. I definitely prefer French terry over fleece, by the way, so if you were looking to get crew necks, generally stay with the French terry material. That's just my opinion though. I'd say that it does have a similar fit to their previous collection sweaters that they've done. There's no branding with this piece. It's really nice. There's no branding with this piece. It's nice and basic, which is why I picked it up. And then over top the crew neck, I did wear this Snow Peak fleece jacket that I got. I did get this orangey brown colorway, which is so nice. It has a lot of functional details too. Like for example, it has this pocket right here. It has 2 kangaroo pockets in the front. It's got 2, like, I don't even know what these are for exactly, but it's got these really nice pouch pockets in the back. This piece also does feature raglan sleeves as opposed to a set-in sleeve, which I think is a really nice detail. And then it has the turtleneck collar with the zipper that goes all the way down the front, and the zipper is also double-sided too, so you can zip it up from the bottom. One more functional detail that I forgot to mention is that these sleeves also have thumb holes, so it's a very, very functional piece. Snow Peak is not a fashion brand by any means. If you aren't familiar with their products, they are like a camping outdoors brand. They carry everything from clothes to tents to silverware. Anything you might need on a camping or a hiking trip, they've got you covered. They're definitely a premium price brand though. Their stuff is very high quality from what I've seen so far. I do have a couple more Snow Peak items coming in the future, which I will gladly show you guys, but this is the only piece I have right now in my collection. I think this piece looks great over top the crew neck because they are kind of that warm color palette. And then over top the Snow Peak fleece, I did decide to wear this House of Land raglan sleeve. I think it's called a work jacket. I'm not exactly sure what kind of silhouette this is. They just called it the work jacket on their website. It's made out of a super thick cotton canvas material. This piece kind of has a varsity jacket style silhouette to it, I'd say, in terms of the body and the sleeves, except this one does have a traditional collar and it does have a button up front. There's no branding on it or anything like that. On the back side, it does have 2 adjustable buckles in case you want to tighten the fit, which I actually might do in the future, but for this outfit, I think it works with the more oversized silhouette. I think over time, this piece will look great because it'll start to acquire a little bit of dirt and grime and character. Next time I paint, I'll probably paint in this jacket too. Again, just to get a little bit more character put into this piece because right now it's very vanilla, I'd say. And then moving on to the bottoms of the outfit, we do have the new collection for nylon cargos. This is one of the pieces I was most looking forward to in the whole collection, mainly because of the color and then also the pocket detailing. The fit and also the material of these pants are the exact same to the collection 3 shorts, if you guys own those. I'm obsessed with this color. I don't own any pants with this color, or actually any item in general with this color. It's so unique, it's very out there. I really love the pockets because the zip starts on like halfway of one side. It goes up and around onto the back side and finishes off on the exact opposite side of the pocket. You don't really see that zipper detailing too often with cargo pockets especially. Moving on to the footwear of the second outfit, I did again choose to use the Visvim Engineer boots. It's the last time these are going to show up in this video, by the way. This is the black suede version though, and also a different heel too. It's a little bit more of like a lug heel, I'd say. And yeah, I just think they look great with the whole outfit. I think the pop of black just really makes the whole outfit kind of tie together and not just be a very monochromatic style outfit. And then for accessories, I did wear just a plain old black beanie. And then I did choose to wear a pair of sunglasses, a new pair that I actually got recently. And these are the Jacob Hetzer sunglasses. They are super sick sunglass silhouette. I'm extremely hyped to get these because I now have 2 sunglasses in my rotation. I'm not sure if these are still available. I have a link down in the description below if you guys want to check these out. I think these are a really great everyday pair of sunglasses, which is why I picked them up. And yeah, that is what the second outfit looks like. Let me know what you guys think. 3. I think this one's probably my favorite out of the lot of 4, just because it is a little bit more unique. It's not something that I would normally put together for an outfit just because of the silhouette overall and also the pieces that I use too. This first piece will definitely spark a little bit of discussion, I guess. This is a vintage Russell Athletic Columbine cross-country hoodie that I recently thrifted. It's like a heather gray hoodie. This is kind of a crazy piece when you think about it because I believe this is the year before the shooting happened. I think the shooting happened in '99. The hood is extremely small in this piece, you guys can kind of see. So I don't really know what exactly Russell Athletic was doing with their hoods, but it's way, way, way too small. But yeah, I decided to wear this in the outfit just because I don't really have any other heather gray hoodies. I do have this piece right here, but I wanted a hoodie. And I don't know, this piece is kind of interesting. Let me know what you guys think. It definitely is a controversial item. By the way, I think this goes without mentioning, but I do not support school shooting or anything like this at all. I just thought this was an interesting find. I want to show you guys it because I featured it in an outfit. So yeah, that's it. Moving on to the outermost piece of this outfit. I have it on a hanger right now just because I want to show you guys the full shape, but I definitely do not recommend having a sweater like this on a hanger at all. This is the Bare Knuckles Collection 4 Alpaca Knit Cardigan. This is the item that I was most looking forward to in the whole collection. I just think it's such a nice piece. I love the material, it's so soft. I love the hardcore distressing they have going on along the inside button area, along the bottom hem, and along the sleeve. This item was the first piece to sell out of the whole collection. This piece did retail for $320, so it was the second most expensive item out of the whole collection. That's because it is alpaca, it's wool, it's got the hand distressing, so the price is definitely justified. It definitely has like a grandma vibe to it. It's nice and oversized. It's extremely cropped, by the way. You guys can see that the body's really wide. It's very oversized, but it's kind of short too. And the sleeves are kind of like a normal length. I'm gonna take it off a hanger now just because I don't want to ruin it. But I just wanted to show you guys the general shape and what it looks like. For the bottom of the outfit, I did decide to wear the Noah wool cashmere suit trousers. They are the all-around perfect suit pant in my opinion. The fit is extremely wide too. Kind of continues the grandpa vibe with the cardigan in my opinion. I've talked about these a lot in my previous videos, so if you want to learn more about these, just scroll back in my previous videos. For the shoes of the outfit, I decided to wear the Jacob Hetzer 1981 loafers. I think this is the perfect shoe that pairs up with the Noah suit trousers. It looks very classy and formal in my opinion. These have been wearing in great. I've been wearing these quite a bit since I got them. I did also wear the Jacob Hetzer glasses too, so 2 Jacob Hetzer items in that outfit. And the icing on the cake for this outfit is the hat, which is this really, really sick vintage LL Bean cabbie hat, which is a collaboration between Hannah Hats, which is an Ireland-based brand that does a lot of patchworking and wool work, like what you guys see on the material at the top. The cabbie newspaper boy hat silhouette is something that I've never owned before. It's definitely an experimental piece for me. I never thought I would own something like this, but I think it's so fire. And these do pair perfect with the Noah suit trousers. If this wasn't a grandpa style outfit before, it definitely is now with this hat. I believe I got this for around $30 too. It's such a great pickup. I know it'll piss a lot of you guys off that I'm wearing a hat like this, but it's fire nonetheless. Slide that down just because I need to be able to access this stuff right here. But moving on to outfit number 4. Starting off the base layer, we do have the other color of the Bare Knuckles t-shirt. This colorway is called the Rose Wine colorway. It does feature the same wash as the green one, so it does have the potassium spray where it kind of goes from a faded, sun-dried look down to the more vibrant purple. I seriously love this color. They really killed it with both these colors. I mean, just look at these side by side. This piece was $95. It does have the exact same fit as the green one. I did piece up the t-shirt with the new Staatsballett collection. I think it's called the High Yield Sherpa Vest. And this is by far my favorite item out of that whole collection. I am considering getting more items from the collection, but this is all that I own right now. I really love that color. It's kind of like a combination between gray and like a mustardy brown. It definitely has a hiking outdoors look to it. This would go great over any t-shirt in my opinion, over a graphic tee, over the Bare Knuckles tees. Such a great item. A really great piece. Good job, Avery and Kaylee. Moving on to the bottoms of the outfit. I don't want to talk about them too much since this is unreleased, it's a sample and all that good stuff. These are the Colette Hyatt jeans that will be in collection 2. These have the perfect fit and the perfect wash for me. This is like my ideal pair of jeans, my dream pair of jeans. It's got the overlock stitching going down the front and also on the back side too. It's got the Colette Hyatt leather patch on the back. It's got the open hem. These are the perfect pair of jeans. These will come out in, I believe, January. It kind of depends when production ends and when the rest of the collection is ready. My all-time favorite pair of jeans. I'm super proud of this item. Took a lot of time and effort to put together, but it's looking great. For the footwear of this outfit, I did decide to wear a crispy new pair of the Converse Chuck 70s in the white colorway. I think these jeans go best with a high top shoe, whether it's boots or high top sneakers. And then for accessories, the black beanie and the Jacob Hetzer sunglasses, just to finish it off, complete the whole outfit. And that is all the outfits. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Big congratulations to Jacob and Cole on releasing their 4th collection. I can't wait to see what you guys do next. Definitely a lot of pressure because you guys managed to top yourselves every single collection. Let me know down in the comments which of these 4 outfits was your favorite. Remember to drop a like down below and subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. That's gonna do it for me. Peace out. Have a good one. See you guys next time.